Treadmills are the most popular piece of equipment in use today, and the Life Fitness T3 is perfect for the traditional user who wants the durability Life Fitness products are famous for. The most important feature of a treadmill is the running surface. The T3 has a wide, safe running surface that is 5 feet long and 20 inches wide. It features Life Fitness's patented FlexDeck technology, which reduces stress on your joints by up to 30%, decreasing the chance for injury and keeping you feeling great. And the custom-engineered Life Springs deliver a consistently smooth shock-absorbing surface for years and years. The T3 features a contact heart rate monitor with adjustable chest strap, providing you with real-time feedback to ensure you are getting the maximum cardio workout for your body. And the sturdy 3-horsepower motor is ultra-smooth and quiet. All Life Fitness equipment is designed in state-of-the-art biomechanical labs in Chicago. That means you get innovative design like the simple navigation and ergonomically placed controls, bringing the buttons you use most often closer to you on the T3. And you will love the Go System Quick Start feature that remembers your preferred workout, so you can get started with the simple push of a button. What could be easier than that? As the inventor of the first computerized workout equipment, Life Fitness's heritage, biomechanics, and durability are why more people choose Life Fitness every day than any other brand in the world. Life Fitness, it's what we live for.
AirRunner offers 7 HIIT training options, so you can rest assured that you're training to the very latest cutting-edge programs. The AirRunner has one of the slowest starting speeds on the market, making it the perfect treadmill for rehabilitation use. AirRunner has a smart, sleek and stylish console with Bluetooth connectivity for Apple and Android devices, so you can play your favorite music through the 2 powerful speakers. The deck is cushioned by shock absorbers, ensuring each stride has low impact on your joints, so there's less chance of injury. AirRunner is supplied with a lifetime frame and motor warranty, with all other parts and labour covered for 3 years.
My name is Chris Hinshaw, and I am an endurance coach into the CrossFit community. We know that form matters. We know that form drives additional speed and it drives additional efficiency. The problem is that sometimes it's very difficult for the athlete to understand how form feels. I've seen the most beginner level runners hop on that product and it puts them immediately into proper running form. Once they learn that muscle memory, that feel, that's what they can carry outside. Coaches strive for that day in and day out. This product, without any involvement, they find that sensation and can replicate it.
I'm in the gym anywhere from 4 to 6 hours a day. The AirRunner allows me to kind of control where I'm at in my workouts. I can vary the speeds. I can look at exactly where I'm at with my wattage. All those things are super important for feedback for me as an athlete. I need to know these things. The AirRunner gives me more control over my workouts.
It's much easier to watch someone's run gait than a controlled and repeatable environment indoors. It encourages a toe or a midfoot strike a lot, and encourages a heel pull, which is definitely good for running form. You'll feel it a bit more in your hamstrings.
It's really cool giving instant feedback on calories and speed and distance. So it helps you pace a staggered run a lot faster.
A regular treadmill has a motor. It's pushing your legs. With an AirRunner, you are the machine. You're the motor. Assault products in general allow you to push yourself to a point where mentally you're uncomfortable, but if you push through it, you're capable of anything.
Taking that first step begins with you. So take charge and step onto a treadmill with cutting-edge technology, performance, and quality. Introducing the ProForm Pro 1000. At the heart of this superior machine is a powerful 3.0 CHP motor, which was built to last for years to come. The power of this motor can propel you up to 12 miles per hour, all with a single touch, or elevate your workout and burn calories just by walking. With quick incline touch controls, you can increase your incline up to 12% and keep your technology with you. The integrated tablet holder keeps you connected to the web, friends, or your favorite shows while you work out. And for a totally new immersive running experience, use your tablet and connect to iFit, which transports your run to any trail on Earth. Simply pick from pre-planned routes all over the globe, or map your own with Google Maps. Just tap to visit the white beaches of Florida, the streets of Paris, or the Badlands of South Dakota. Go anywhere you'd like, it's up to you. Your workout stats and goals are tracked with iFit. Also get professional training and share your progress with friends. iFit is the new way to achieve your fitness goals. Whether you're walking, running, or jogging, you feel it, which is why we've designed our decks with ProShocks cushioning to reduce impact and increase comfort. The large 20 by 60 inch deck enables you to find your natural stride, so you'll feel like you're out on the open road. Feeling the burn? Don't let that slow you down. Stay cool and comfortable with the Cool Air workout fans. The 6-inch backlit display tracks and displays all of your important stats, like time, distance, speed, and even approximate calories burned. Is music your motivation? Plug right into the iPod-compatible sound system and listen to your favorite tunes through a set of crisp and clear 2-inch speakers. Take the guesswork out of it and get loads of pre-planned workouts, all designed by a certified personal trainer. Choose from 22 preset workouts with a single touch. And stay in your target heart rate zone with the InHandle EKG grips. They make monitoring fast and reliable. With ProForm, you can be confident in your purchase. This treadmill is backed with a lifetime frame warranty, a 25-year motor warranty, and a 1-year parts and labor warranty. When you're done with your workout, folding and storing your machine has never been easier with the innovative space-saver design and easy lift assist. Get up and get moving with the pinnacle in technology, performance, and quality.